Welcome to my video. My name is Arshad and this is DBMS lab experiment number 9, procedures and functions. So in this experiment we will see what are the procedures and what are the functions that we will going to execute in this program, and see how the procedure and functions are going to work. And we will create tables, and we will do the following queries that are given in the experiment. So let's begin this video. So first, what we have to know, that is a procedure. So procedure is a name of PLSQL block which performs one or more specific task. Means this block is used to do some uh, some execution, means performance, that are for one or more specific tasks. This is similar to the procedure in other programming languages. Means in other programming languages there are the procedures, so this is similar to that. So procedure or function is a group of set of SQL and PLSQL statement that performs a specific task. So this is used to perform a specific task. So we will see how to create a procedure. So for the syntax of creating procedure is create or replace procedures. Means this is the syntax, and the next procedure name. So we will give your procedure name, and then the argument, means in the data type in out or in out. For that means argument we have to perform in the query or out of the execution. So like that, the data type arguments we can pass here. Means we will see how the arguments are that after before, like that only. Is then the declare of section. Means we will declare what we have to do here, and then the when we declare what we have to do, then we will begin the what we have to do the procedure. Then here will be this will be execution section. If during executing some exception occurs, then this will be the exception section, and then the program will end. So like that we have to create the procedure. Next we will see what are the functions. So function is similar to the procedure, like that only, but there is little but difference in that. So function is a block of code, block which is similar to the procedure. And the major difference between the procedure and the function is function must always have a return value, but the procedure may or may not have a return value. So in functions we use the return value, but in the procedure it may or may not the return value in the function. So we will see what is the syntax for the function. So first, we it is similar to the procedure only. Create or replace function, here is the procedure. Then the function name, then the parameters, then the return data type. Next we will declare the section, then we will begin the program. Then the execution will be occur after that. Here is the return type, but if we see here, this is the execution section, but here we can see there is no return type, but here it is a return type. And then the exception, then the exception section will be there, and return type, it will be returning the return variable, and then the function will be end. So like this we will do the procedure and function. Now we will go to the questions. So the first question is we have to create the course table. So but for there are it is going to take much time, so I have already created this table. So let's see how this table is. So first we will see course table. Select star from course. So let's see. So first course code is there, course name, syllabus, and last number. So 10 is the course code. Oracle syllabus is SQL, and last number is 2. So 20 Java, Java Servlet, and 2. So this is the course table. Next we will see the second table, that is the fees pay table. So in in the last video, if you remember, we had created a fees pay table. So that table is we are going to use here. So fees paid table. So this is the fees paid table: roll number, fees paid date, check name, bank name, remark, and account. amount. So this is the fees table. In the last video we created this, means in the last experiment. And next we will go and see the table, that is the inquiry table. So this also we had created in the last video. So let's see the inquiry table here. Inquiry table. So this is the inquiry table. So we created that in the last experiment. Next we will go to the enrollment. So in enrollment there are the argument, means there are the attributes that are roll number, inquiry number, batch code, and enrollment date. So this is the enrollment date. I had already created this. So without wasting time, we will move to the procedure. So this is the enrollment table. So here we will see this is the roll number and inquiry number, batch code, and this is the enrollment date. So like this, we have created all this table. Now we will go to the question, that is the first question, that is write a PLSQL statement to fetch the salary of employees in from employee table. We have to fetch the salary, the name employee Anil, and calculate the grade according to its value. Okay, so the conditions we will see what we have to do here. If the salary is less than 1,000, then print grade A. If it is less than 2,000, then it will be B. Then if it is less than 3,000, then it will print C. If it is less than 4,000, then it will print B. So here we will go and then we will create. Let's check the employee table. So this is the employee table, and here is the Anil. So here what we have to do, we will create, means we will declare first, then first we will need a number that is having 10. Next we will go here and begin the code. Select, we have to select salary from, I think, employee company table we have to use. Employee company, where e name is Anil. Okay, so employee name is Anil. Then we will go in if condition, that if it is 1,000, then if sorry, it should be less than 1,000, then it will print dbms dot output, dbms dot line. So here it will print grade A. Simply we will do here, we will copy this and go here, B, grade B, it should be 2, else if. Next we will copy this, it should be 3,000. C, it should be 4, B. Then like this we have to print here elif. Then we will end if end. Okay, so this is the code. First we will check again this, if it is it should be 1,000, then print A, then 2,000 for B, 3,000 for C, and 4,000 for D. So here when we run this, some error occur at this point. Select salary into A. Okay, we have to select salary into A from. So here when we run this, it will show the grade B, means his salary is between, it should be less than 2000, so here it is showing grade B. So here we executed the first one. Next we will move to second question, that is write a procedure to calculate a course name corresponding to the course code. Okay, so here we will go. First we will clear this, create or replace procedure. So procedure name we will give course, calculate course name. So here it is the parameter is num in number, and next we will give name of barrier. Okay, so we give the arguments here. Next we will, it will begin. First we will begin, then we will select course name. We will select the course name into name from course 2001, where course code, that is numbers, if we give here number. So next we will print the course code name here, dbms output dot put line. So here course name, this is the course name here, and name, end end. So like this we created. So first the procedure is, that is of course, then number is in number, and name out of varchar. Select course name into name from course code. So from course we have to, and course code, that is number, and this will print. When we run this, it is showing one error here. So here it is, we created one procedure. So now we will go and we will declare a b as varchar 30 30. Then we will begin course code, that is 10 and ab 10 and ab. Then we will end. So here when we run this, we will get the course name, that is Oracle. So we got a procedure corresponding to course name. So we got here the name, that is Oracle. So next we will move to the third question. So third question is display course name by considering the exception. If the given course code is not found, then raise an exception that course name is not available. Okay, so here we will go create or replace course, platinum in number. We will begin. We will begin, that is course name into name from course 2001, where course code, that will be number. Okay, as same. Next we will go here and type dbms output dot put line, same as the last first. Then we will add here exception. year name. Next we will go exception, exception where no data found. If here no data found, then it will raise, application error, that is minus 4, sorry, 401 error, then it will end and end. So we will see, first we created a procedure, number, everything is same, here exception, that is no data found, then it will raise an error. There is some error, no data found, where, when it is there, sorry. So first we created one procedure, then we will declare a b varchar 30, then we will begin course, here will be 30 and ab and end. So like this we created. Now when we run this, oh, some error we got. It will show that the error that is 401 is out of range. So like this it will raise one error that we got in the program. Next we will go to the fourth question, that is write a function to calculate total amount collected. So here we will calculate, create or function, that is calculate, then return number, that is a number, that is 10, a number, then begin it will begin, that is select from sum of amount into or deposit from respect table. So we have to calculate this, then it done and end. So like this we created one function, that is create or replace function, that is calculate, then it will return number, a number, that is into a from fish table, then it will create one function that we will see. So here when we created one function is created, now we will we will declare same number for the number, that will be 10, then we will begin calculate the function here. So this is for the calculate dbms output output line. So here it will show total amount is, then and end. So here when we run this, we will see the total amount that we got, that is 80,000. So we got this amount, the total amount that is collected from the fees. Next we will go to the fifth question, that is display the number of inquiries for a specific advertisement code. Okay, so we have to create or replace procedure here, that is inquiry num in number in out varchar. So here is begin, that is select inquiry number into number from inquiry table here, where inquiry sorry refer code that will be number. Next it will print dbms out dot put line. So here this will print, it will print number of inquiries. Number of inquiries, and so this will create the procedure for the inquiry, and inquiry number, so here it will print. So the one error came, that number of inquiries at line number dbms output line, showing one error here. Statement ignored. Here it is showing. We'll write this again. Output put line. Let's check now. Same here it is showing error. Let's check what has happened. So here the procedure is created. Now we will declare AB as number having 10, 30, and then we will begin inquiry, that is DB. So this is the number, and so let's check. It will show the number of inquiries. So this is the number of total inquiries here. So we will go to the sixth question now. So this is the last. Write a function to calculate total fees paid by a particular student. Okay, so here we will go and create our function that is ab in number. Return number here is begin number. select into a, that is from this paid table where roll number, that is AB, written A, and end. So first we created one function, that is function to calculate by a particular student, so a being number that is there, and this is to create one function. So here we created a function, it is showing one error, roll number. So this function is created here. So now when we run this, we get the function is created here. So this was the last question of this experiment. That was sixth question. So this was experiment number 9, procedures and function of DBMS lab. Thanks for watching my video.